Welcome to Direct to Draw, the show where you learn to draw your favorite characters step by step. Today, we've got something super exciting. We're drawing Karma from BAM Kids. She's bold, she's brave, and now she's about to come to life on your page. So grab your paper, your favorite pencils or markers, and get ready to sketch along. Let's go direct to draw. Let's start with the eyes. First, we draw two upside-down U shapes side by side for the eyebrows. On the end of both curved lines, draw and connect an arch across it to form the face. On this part of the eyebrow, draw and connect a small curve. Draw two circles inside of each of the eyebrows. Inside the circles, draw two smaller circles for the eyes. Then draw another two tiny circles inside those for the shine. Fill in the entire circles to complete the eyes. Now draw in the top parts of the eyes again to make the lashes thicker. Then draw three little lashes on both sides of the eyes. Connecting from the face, draw a curved line along the bottom of the eyes. Connect the curves with a smaller curve to form the eye mask. Next is the mouth. Draw a long and slightly curved line along the face. Draw two short lines going up from both ends of the mouth. Draw two tiny dashes in the center of the face for the nose. Draw small short lines going up from each part of the eyebrows. Draw a slightly curved line across to connect them. Draw a line below the eyebrows to make the headband. Draw a hill-shaped line on top of the headband. Then, draw a small straight line in the center to complete the head detail. The face is finished. Next, we draw the body. Start with the cape's tie. Draw a small U curve at the bottom of the face. On the sides, draw two leaf shapes on each side. Inside those leaf shapes, draw small lines for detail. Draw lines going out from each side of the tie. Then draw a long U shape from those lines to make the body. Connecting from the face, draw lines going down on both sides to connect with the cape. Draw two small lines going down on each side. Draw two cube shapes connected to those lines. At the bottom of the cubes, draw sideways V shapes at the ends. From each finger, draw a W shape and connect it back to the cube shape. For the cape, between the fingers, draw straight lines going down on both sides. Then draw curved lines connecting to the body on both sides to make the cape. Let's draw the legs. Draw two slanted L shapes at the bottom of the body. Draw another two L shapes between the first ones. Draw sideways W shapes, making the outer lines longer for the feet. Draw a small curved bump in the middle for the tail. Karma is done! Now it's time to color! Use green for the face, arms, and legs, pink for the body and eye mask, yellow for the cape, headband, and wristbands. Then draw the K icon in yellow in the middle of the body. If you had fun drawing with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new episode of Direct to Draw. See you in the next video.